This is my boy Gilbert. This is my boy Manny. And they doing Honda things. I have a soft spot for Hondas. And Gilbert brought this in here less than 2 months ago. Got the whole engine in. They did this. Team fucking Honda boys. But now we get...
The seat in?
Fuck it, let's just do it now.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You ready?
So, what I want you to do is turn it until you see the oil pressure light turn off. Yeah, because you'll see the little oil can.
Yeah.
Keep on turning it. Okay, stop. Do it again. Stop. Nope. Stop. Turn the ignition off.
Yo, this thing about to sound... I can feel it.
I know.
That's crazy.
Beefy, huh?
Okay, so that should be good enough.
Okay.
You ready to fire it up?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
You have to adjust the distributor and stuff?
Oh, he unplugged the ejector with the spark plugs. But I'm talking to myself, like, yeah, because this is what we did on my R33.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now prime the fuel pump. Okay.
So for safety reasons, faces are being blurred right now. Faces are being blurred right now, but this is what the issue is. Good God Almighty! I hope you getting a whole new everything.
Yeah, Manny looked up a tank for me. They have aftermarket tank I can get.
Aftermarket stock replacement.
Stock replacement tank. Yeah.
So you're just gonna rock it for now, or you're just gonna get the aftermarket stock replacement?
I'm gonna do it for now. Well, I'm gonna do a new pump for now, just so we can get the car started, and then.
I feel like you could just take a wire brush to that.
That yeah, the
Be careful, you might catch on fire though.
The sending unit, yeah, but the tank it needs to be replaced.
Okay, let me call this one back real quick.
Damn it!
Slow down, y'all. That's it? That's all you got to do to put this fuel pump in?
Yeah, I mean, what the fuck was that?
It's the ghost.
Oh, the gun.
The what?
The gun.
The ghost of S Chassis is angry in here. How dare you work on a Honda in my garage? Ooh, that boy Manny fast.
Your car is basically the same thing.
That's what I've been told, that the EG6 is like this.
No, your Nissan.
No.
Yeah,
no.
Just the unit is taller and bigger.
No, so you know how you pretty much put this in, and I'm guessing there's just three nuts that go over that, and that's it?
No, there's 10.
There's 10?
Yeah.
But there's just nuts, right?
Yeah.
For us, we have a whole plastic lock and a gasket.
Oh, that's right, you have the lock and gasket.
Yeah, this shit just... But the EG6 should be just like this, right?
Yeah, I would assume. I'm sure it's under the back seat or by the trunk.
Yeah, when we take the back seat out, I mean, with this...
fire it up before I do all this.
Uh-oh. This is the moment of truth.
This is really it?
This is it. Let me turn this off. Hold on. Uh-oh. What happened? Be careful. Last thing you need is this gas all up in this mud. It uses a GM style connector.
Is that what that is?
It looks like it. Like
yeah, it looks funny, huh?
I could be wrong. Kids on YouTube, don't grill me. I'm trying to learn. We're learning together. They know, but I'm learning. Will all this hard work pay off, or will it come to blow back in their faces?
You ready? I'm gonna prime it.
Okay.
Yep, I hear it.
I hear it. It's humming. Gilbert, you ready? Are you ready?
When will you feel pressure in the line?
Yep.
Yeah? Ready?
You ready? Oh, time out, turn it off.
You didn't torque down the
Boy.
What?
Boy, your fuel is leaking onto your battery.
Wait, you just took that off right now.
No, it's leaking from the bottom.
I did work it down.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
That was scary, sir. Good thing I came. I thought about that meme of that guy with that 240 and it just shoots in his face. But yet again, there's fuel running constantly and we would all blow up.
I did work it down, Manny.
I don't know.
I used it to 14.
That shit is leaking.
14 and a wrench. Like a crescent.
You ever seen a girl pee in the street?
Yeah.
That's what it looked like.
Yeah, it's tight.
What the fuck?
Check the top.
Yeah, the top is tight too. Prime it again.
Stop. Oh, the line is
Oh,
busted.
your line is busted.
What happened?
The line, the physical line to where that hard line comes in, where the
Your line is busted.
You can't catch a break.
You can't, Gilbert. You fucking can't.
We literally just talked about this. If Matt was here, you should probably run steel braided lines.
So what do you want to do?
What can we do?
Is that something you just go buy, or what can you do?
Well,
You can't. Damn. But it runs. It runs. It sounded good. I'm going to just be the narrator for this, so excuse me. So while Gilbert and Manny figure out how they're going to get the fuel line from somewhere else, in the meantime, they're going to break apart the stock one and try to make it work. Will it work?
That's the question.
Do I believe in them? Of course. I'm your host, Tyrone Freeman. Just come with me on this journey as two dudes with a Honda. Figure out, will they make it? That's a no. That's a no. Oh, what the fuck is this on the ground? Who puts a hammer in the middle of the fucking floor? This whole aisle is dangerous. So while they do that, I'll sit here and wash my car with these beautiful products that Jose has here at the shop. Well, I don't even think I'm using the right one, but hey, it works. It's working. It's working. Let's put these bad boys up. There we go. Yeah. Wash it in the evening, y'all. Wash your cars in the evening. That way the sun doesn't be beating on it. Or wash it in the shade and it's not as hot. One of those rules, though. There you go.
yeah.
This doesn't even sound like a Honda. It's got cams? What's that noise?
That's the exhaust bearing. And then the collector's rattling. It's not misrun.
Slow down there, buddy. unfortunately, the GoPro, the memory card ran out of space. These boys got the fucking car going. They're happy. They've been spending all day on this car. I washed my car. I might low-key pick up some parts for it today. Some dude hit me up on the Facebook Marketplace about some things, so we'll see. And I can't say no to a good deal, so. And I got oil. Just always keep a cord on me. Always keep that cord on me, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see me. Oh, that thing sounds garbage. But look at it, y'all. This car looking good. The 33 is next. Matt's been wiring that, so thank you everybody for the support. Hold on. Let's do this the right way. Thank you everybody for the support. Man, this is great. His car is running. This car looks good. Oh, my big old alligator hands in the way. This car looks good. That car is good. Good job, boys. Good job.